Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to turn on keyboard backlight on any HP laptop. Now here, as you can see, when I googled it, it depends mainly on the model that you are actually using of your HP laptop. So in some cases, you just have to press F5, F4, F9, F11, or even function plus F5. So try to use one of these function buttons, and if it is not working, try to press the FN button plus one of these function buttons in order to turn on the light and turn it off again. So now here, as you can see, you have these two options, the function button and this button right here, which is the F5 button. It looks like so. If it is not working, you can use any function button plus the F button that has this icon or this shape right here. This icon, it doesn't really matter, but it will be displayed like a backlight color or like this icon right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.